What is your name?
My name is Ruhi.
Where are you from?
I am from Mumbai.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Which school do you go to?
I go to St. Xavier's School.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Do you like cricket?
Yes, I love cricket.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading books.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sita.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Which is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Sholay.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like listening to music.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak Hindi.
What is your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet dog.
What is your dog's name?
My dog's name is Bruno.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Have you ever been to Goa?
Yes, I have been to Goa.
What is your favorite festival?
My favorite festival is Diwali.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I can cook some dishes.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What type of books do you like?
I like mystery novels.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go for a walk every morning.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Priya.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What do you like to wear?
I like to wear casual clothes.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lassi.
Which places have you visited in India?
I have visited Jaipur, Agra, and Bangalore.
Do you celebrate your birthday?
Yes, I celebrate my birthday with family and friends.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Kaun Banega Crorepati.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I have a small garden at home.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate.
Do you know how to swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite place in your city?
My favorite place is Marine Drive.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is gulab jamun.
Do you watch movies in the theater?
Yes, I like watching movies in the theater.
What is your favorite outdoor activity?
My favorite outdoor activity is playing football.
Do you like to draw or paint?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What is your favorite Indian dish?
My favorite Indian dish is paneer butter masala.
What time do you usually have breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What is your favorite Indian sweet?
My favorite Indian sweet is jalebi.
Do you celebrate Holi?
Yes, I celebrate Holi with my friends and family.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to relax and watch movies.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea and green tea.
Have you ever been to the Taj Mahal?
Yes, I visited the Taj Mahal last year.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to Bollywood music.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is bhindi, okra.
How do you celebrate Diwali?
We decorate the house with lights, make sweets, and burst crackers.
What is your favorite game to play with friends?
My favorite game to play with friends is Carrom.
Do you follow any sports teams?
Yes, I follow the Indian cricket team.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:30 a.m.
What do you like to eat for lunch?
I like to eat roti and sabji for lunch.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to visit my grandparents.
What is your favorite thing to do in the summer?
My favorite thing to do in the summer is to go swimming.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to the zoo in Delhi.
Do you like to ride a bicycle?
Yes, I enjoy riding a bicycle.
What is your favorite Indian festival?
My favorite Indian festival is Ganesh Chaturthi.
Do you like spicy snacks?
Yes, I like spicy snacks like samosa and pakora.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is the elephant.
Do you like to watch cartoons?
Yes, I like watching cartoons.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to read and draw.
Have you ever been on an airplane?
Yes, I have traveled by airplane once.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Sagar Ratna.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the lotus.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I enjoy singing.
What is your favorite TV channel?
My favorite TV channel is Star Plus.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking with my mother.
What is your favorite holiday destination in India?
My favorite holiday destination is Kerala.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I like to play video games.
What is your favorite type of clothing?
My favorite type of clothing is traditional Indian wear.
Do you like to go to the park?
Yes, I like going to the park in the evening.
What is your favorite indoor game?
My favorite indoor game is chess.
Do you like to watch sports?
Yes, I like watching cricket and football.